Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to make prawns. Please watch 3 minutes of the video before commenting. Look at this fresh isa. Me and my sister are picking the shaag. Now we're going to get out the veins. Add the oil. Add a big onion. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Leave it there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, add the water. 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. 1 teaspoon of hollowed powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of jeera. Mix it all together. Five minutes later, add the king prawns. Mix it all together. Leave it there for 5 minutes. Cut up the shaag. Add in the shaag 5 minutes later. Mix it all together. Add in the fresh chilies. Mix it all together. Add in the fresh coriander. I hope you enjoyed this video. Mix it all together. Five minutes later, it looks so yummy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye guys, have a good day.